Welcome. If you've been looking to add your website to your Facebook page using your computer, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the latest steps to update your Facebook page and showcase your website link with the new Facebook update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. A menu will appear, showing your profile and any pages you manage. Find the page where you want to add your website and click to enter it. Now that you're on your page, take a look at the left-hand side or the main menu options. Find and click on the section labeled About. This is where all your page details are stored, from contact information to business hours. Scroll down until you spot the website field. You should see an option that says Add Website. Click on it, and a text box will appear. Here's where you type in your website's URL. Make sure to enter the full address, including the https://part, to ensure the link works correctly. After you've entered your website, look for the Save button, usually located right below the text box or at the bottom of the section. Click Save to confirm your changes. And that's it. Your website is now linked to your Facebook page. Visitors will be able to see your website on your page's About section, making it easier for them to find out more about your business or personal brand. If you ever need to update your website link in the future, just follow these same steps. Keeping your information current helps you connect better with your audience and drive more traffic to your site. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy tech tips. See you in the next video.